Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are bringing you the latest update from the beauty pageant world, focusing on one of the most prestigious events in Sri Lanka, Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2024. A new queen has been crowned, and the journey to Miss Universe 2024 in Mexico is just beginning for the winner. On 27 September 2024, at the magnificent Citrus Resorts and Hotel in Vaskadova, Sri Lanka, history was made once again as Melanie Dasanaike was crowned Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2024. This event marked the 48th edition of the Miss Universe Sri Lanka pageant, and what a night it was! With 18 stunning contestants vying for the crown, the competition was fierce, but only one emerged victorious. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the reigning Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2005, Rojane Diaz, passed on the prestigious crown to Melanie Dasanaike in a grand ceremony. With elegance and grace, Dasanaike now steps into the global spotlight, set to represent Sri Lanka at the 73rd Miss Universe competition, with Sabrina Herft in 2012. With Melanie Dasanaike now taking the lead, there's renewed hope that Sri Lanka might secure a higher placement at Miss Universe 2024. The pageant was a spectacular event, hosted by none other than Jacqueline Fernandez, Sri Lanka's Bollywood superstar and former Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2006. Adding more glamour to the night, the event featured breathtaking performances that kept the audience captivated. The judging panel included notable personalities like Arthur Rodrigo and Mary Ann Page, who judges with her charm, poise, and intelligence. Miss Universe Sri Lanka, formerly known as Miss Ceylon, is one of the oldest beauty pageants in the country, tracing its origins back to 1953 when Mane Lillankoon of Colombo became the first title holder. Since then, the pageant has undergone various transformations, including the country's name change from Ceylon to Sri Lanka in 1972. Melanie will now represent Sri Lanka at the 73rd Miss Universe pageant in Mexico, where she will compete against contestants from all over the world. With her stunning beauty, sharp intellect, and humble spirit, Melanie aims to put Sri Lanka back on the global beauty map. As the new ambassador for her country, she is expected to focus on various charitable causes, promote tourism, and inspire young girls across Sri Lanka. Melanie Dasanaike's crowning as Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2024 marks another milestone in the country's pageantry history. With a rich legacy to uphold, she has the potential to make waves on the global stage. What do you think? Can Melanie Dasanaike bring home Sri Lanka's first ever Miss Universe title this year? Let us know in the comments.